During the last 30 years, technologies in trucking, transportation, and logistics have boomed. In the past, older trucks often had a manual transmission. They were uncomfortable, difficult to drive, and inefficient with gas. Today, advancements that begin with state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities are now turning out the next generation of trucks. Today's trucks are far superior, with upgrades that include improved fuel efficiency, reduction in emissions, collision mitigation systems, smart steering, APUs, dynamic routing, camera systems, electric and hydrogen power systems, and more. These technological advances help improve truck performance by communicating in real time with service departments and technicians. Now, major engine components, transmissions, trailers, fuel tanks, and tires are sending information to allow for preparation and faster turnaround when service is required. Finally, logistics and supply chain management are utilizing advanced algorithms to make one-hour deliveries possible. Innovations like shipment tracking systems, radio frequency identification, enhanced GPS accuracy, and real-time weather and traffic monitoring are being utilized every day to make our transportation and delivery network even more efficient. Looking for a career utilizing the latest technologies? Trucking and Transportation Deliver.